cable drawn workshop, core wire pressing, chemical foaming, stranded wire, total stranded wire, braided outside pressing, cutting wire. 2. Net braided, nylon or cotton braided. We can do custom color braided according to client inquiry. 3. Processing and packaging workshop. 1. Automatic wire soldering. 2. Function testing. 3. Internal mold injection. 4. Function testing. 5. External mold injection. 6. Function testing. 7. Packaging. 8. Manual soldering. 9. Function testing. 10. Internal mold injection. 11. Function testing. 12. External mold injection. 13. Function testing. 14. TV testing. 15. Packaging. 4. Test machine. 1. Impedance tester. 2. High voltage test. 3.4K TV test. 4. 444 tester. HDR tester.